Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a decal on Roblox. So all you're going to do is go to create, and then you're going to click decals here, and then you just click on the creator dashboard right here. And then once you're here, you just click upload. You select your asset, and then you just give it a name. Then if you want, you can give it a description, and then just press upload right here. And once, if you want to share it, just take the ID and then, no, you just take this, what happened? Just copy this link and then paste it wherever you want.